Sorry, I pressed it before. Oh, I need them, don't I? And then these are called expanders. 3/4, 20 mil. Says it on it. I've just heated it up so you're able to expand it, and I'm going to put it socket. So in here. Do it a couple of times just in case. And then because these are old, do it a bit on the top, make it extra big. And this should just pop in here. It's hot, you can grab it from this end. Pull it out, check it's gone in. Probably going in enough. Shake. Should be right. Oh! Got my flux here. And what you're doing, you're trying to get it hot because this reacts with that. And you should be able to touch it on it and do it. Careful you don't do anything around it. Should be able to just run it around. Get it on a good angle. Oop, burn the pipe in the way. A little bit at the back, just to make sure. Put heaps on. You want to know it's done right. A little bit more. Come to this side, under. Right. I'll hide that part. And that's it. I've expanded it. And when that's cool, it should be done. Get out of the light. So just cut it, file it, clean it, and then that's right. That weld's all good. You can't see any cracks. And then there's the T going under the house. Pick it up there. It's a heater. Gonna get a new one, like we said there. Half in between, away from the window. All good. Dad. Yes. Done. Done. This is Dad. Stephen.
Hi there.
Dad, say hi for Tafe.
Hi, Dave.
Say Andrew's a good bloke.
Andrew's a good bloke.
Say, Peter Miles, hope you get better, mate.
Yeah, Peter Miles, hope you get better.